Okay, now that I've drawn my face of my clock, I'm going to use the select arrow on the left hand side, the black arrow, to resize these center lines. I don't need them for the rest of the drawing, and they're just going to get in the way. So I can do the horizontal or the vertical, it doesn't matter which. I'm just going to drag them in using the drag handles. Now the drag handles are these little marks that are on the end of the line. As you click on them, you'll see it allows me to click and drag. I click on this, and when I'm hovering over the drag handles, you see the little black arrows appear telling me I can move that line up or down. So I'm just going to move it down until they're about 10 millimeters from the center. It's creating a little cross like that. That helps me locate things later on, and it gets those big lines out of the way of my drawing.